See, it's playtime. Stretch.
Just strong.
Oh, you're good. What?
He's funny.
Yeah, he's funny, isn't he?
Loser tooth. Loser tooth.
Look, Clyde's sleeping. Look at Clyde. He's sleeping.
Why?
Because. Hey, come on, don't bother him, honey. Don't bother him.
Why it's easy to bother him?
Stretch.
Well, it's not good to bother parrots.
Well, they don't want to be bothered.
I don't want to be bothered. I don't want to be bothered to other people.
Oops. I think he wants somebody to pick him up.
Maybe pick it up.
No, he's got to learn to stay on his perch.
He's not learning to stay in his perch.
Sure he is. Now what? Well...
When I say well,
Come on, Amanda. Will you... Whoops. Easy there, fella.
does he get a poop again?
Well, eventually. Let's see, he's watching everything that's going on. He's going to expect the same privileges that the other parrot has.
What's that? I want atmosphere.
Yeah.
What is save as, Daddy?
Well, that's when you want to save a file under a different name.
Dee-doo-doo. Dee-doo. The D. Bird poop. Bird poop. One thing I do.